Alright, so here we have the Xiaomi M365 Pro. I never rode the first Xiaomi scooters, but I was about to get one, and then I realized that there was a Pro version, so I figured I want the new one. It has a bigger battery, and that's one thing I like because I don't charge lithium ions to anywhere past 85 at least, usually 80. I don't like to charge lithium ion batteries to 100 or anything like that. So I figured since this has the bigger battery, I can charge to 8 and maybe just have the same exact range as the first Xiaomi scooter. So anyways, took a long time to get here. I would say about 35 days, and they finally came like a day or two ago. Out of all these rideshare style stand-up scooters, this one, you could tell it's much faster than them. It'll like sport mode, it'll spin the wheels. And the power's at the front there. All the power goes to the front. That's where the motor is. Besides that, it's just like the old one, I guess. Just a little bit more power, a little bit more range, and it has the dash display. It's gonna flash because it's on video. There's a dash display, tells you your miles, different modes that you're in. So the old one, you had to have a phone there with the app going to be able to see your speed and everything. So I mean, I haven't had it long, but it's nice. It's the best stand-up scooter I've ever ridden, and the battery's down on the deck, so it just feels a little bit more stable than like some of those other rideshare scooters I've ridden. I want to say I never seen anyone review these in America. I'm in Florida, South Florida. Never seen anybody review these yet. They're always in some other country like France, Italy, or European country, or China itself. But they're nice. I got 2 of them. I'll keep riding, maybe do another video of what I think. But it's basically the same as the older scooter, but just more range and got the dash. Supposedly the deck is a little wider, and I guess there's not too much differences on it between this one and the old one. So I'll let you guys know. I'll give you an update later on.